This is one of the favorite areas to bike in the weekend. It's just a very cool, original district. And I was talking about the repair shops that you used to have here. There are still some of them left. And if you turn back here into the area, you'll see a lot of these shops. Good morning. I'm here in the Talad Noi District, and this is definitely one of my favorite districts in Bangkok, and I've shown this part of the city quite often, but let me give an update how it looks now. We're having beautiful weather, so I'm happy to go around. And this used to be an area where you had a lot of repair shops, and now it's definitely an art district. There are a lot of coffee shops, little restaurants. And we are here directly on the Chao Phraya River. Here at the Chinese temple you always get floodings during the rainy season, and that's also why they have a big pump in here. Oh. Thank you. So they're already barricading the area here. So in Ayutthaya I noticed that there was already floodings going on, so the Chao Phraya River is quite high at the moment. Yeah, this is such a lovely district. La Bubu even made it here on the tricycle, on the trickshaw. If you come a little bit later, you can get a coffee in here. We are quite early in the morning now. This is also a nice coffee place. But I would say the main attraction, or the most famous attraction in this area, is the Fiat car that's right here next to the chocolate bar. So here inside you can get some really cool, you can get some nice chocolate milk, chocolate drink. Yeah, this is an iconic piece of Bangkok. The body tree. Yeah, this is definitely an area that you should visit if you come to Bangkok. So here we are directly on the river. Let's have a look. Oh. Ferry coming through. So as you can see, the water level is quite high on the river here, and the river is flowing fast as well, and it's not high tide now, so during high tide it really goes up, and that's when the floodings can occur. And you see when boats come through it gets a bit choppy. So on my Global Travel Mate channel I made several videos about the floodings that happen every year, and normally it's around November, but this year it's a bit early. and it all depends on how much rain we have in the north. There in the back you have the Icon Siam area. This here is the banyan tree. And here we have the Chinese temple. And here on the rooftop of the Riverview residences you have a really nice view of the river. This is one of my favorite coffee shops. This is the Hong Xiang Kong. And they are really redoing a lot. I noticed that they are reconstructing one of these ones on the corner here. It's probably going to be a new coffee shop as well. And if you head right here to the right, you get to the Wat Song Road area. Here we have the Talad Noi Museum. Yeah, beautiful area. You know, for me this is one of the favorite areas to bike in the weekend, because it's just a very cool original district. And I was talking about the repair shops that you used to have here. There are still some of them left, and if you turn back here into the area you'll see a lot of these shops. Functioning repair shops. You know, if you need a bolt or you need a screw for your motor block, you'll find it here. So, and this is the art place. If you want to buy some art, we're a bit too early. If you come later in the day, the store will have a lot of, well, mechanical art, I would say, on store. And let me show you the entrance of the area. And this is actually made by the artist. So this bumblebee is made by the same artist, and this is actually showcasing exactly what this area is about. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Talad Noi District. No, I've shown it before, but it was a very beautiful day today, so I wanted to share it with you. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.